A small injury can ruin a whole trip. A small sickness can ruin a whole trip. The Sportsman's Doctor started almost 30 years ago when I entered the Army and discovered my love of tactical field medicine. This kit is to take care of an acute situation when you're on a trip. Everything you need is in there. This is a prescription kit, less than 8 ounces. It fits anywhere. This kit is proven.
I was out in the woods. I went to slip, so I grabbed a branch and it cut my hand. I immediately grabbed the Sportsman's Doctor hunting kit, bandaged up my hand, made sure everything was okay.
Some friends and I go to Colorado every year. It's quite a dramatic change to your body, and the high elevation kit is definitely worth its weight in gold. This past year, we've used it with 2 different people that have come out and stayed in our cabin.
This summer, I was in a 4-wheeler accident. I broke my wrist. I was able to treat myself until I was able to get to the hospital an hour later.
We were able to use the kit and continue our cruise without spending time at a doctor's office on an island we weren't familiar with. It ships right to your house, so you don't have to go and make an appointment with the doctor and get prescriptions for all the medications.
How important is this business trip? How important and how long have you waited for this hunting trip? We're here to give you that insurance policy and to get you back. If you want to find out more, visit thesportsmansdoctor.com. You can communicate with me on that website. You can see the actual packing list of these kits.
For all the stuff that comes in it, they're very affordable.
I've seen it in action. I would be willing to pay way more than these kits cost for the peace of mind that they provide.
It's generally less than most people's co-pays to go to a doctor. It's certainly less than visiting a doctor when you're traveling.
Having the Sportsman's Doctor's medical kit on you will give you a sense of security and safety, knowing that whether somebody is able to come help you or not, you can help yourself.
Get this kit, take it with you, and you're covered. The people with you are covered.
I won't go on another vacation without one.